You looking for Andrew?
Whoever called. I think it's 50. Hello.
How are you?
So he's obviously recording.
Yes. I went out there and I said, we can't have any recording. And he goes, yes, there is. It's on the website. I'm doing my job. So then I called the assistant manager, and she wasn't here quite yet. And then she called you guys and assisted, notified our big manager. But
So the recording, I just want to make sure he can't record past this point. The door at him.
no recording in the building at all.
You guys want him to leave?
Yeah. Thank you.
I can't make him do that, unfortunately.